So guys, for the first step, you're gonna head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows NT. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. We're going to scroll down till we find Windows NT. You want to expand Windows NT. And now you want to expand current version. And now you want to expand WinLogon. We're going to scroll down till we find WinLogon. You want to expand that. And now you want to expand GP extensions. And now you want to find this folder right here. That's 327D319E. I'm going to click on this. This is the folder that you want to find. It's been highlighted 827D319E-6EAC. You want to click on this folder. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And then once you're on this, you want to find extension debug level. I'll make this a bit bigger. Extension debug level. Double click on this. And now in this box right here, you want to type in the number 2. Make sure that on the validator, you have the number 2 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.